Hello and welcome back. First of all, Happy New Year to all the viewers of our channel. Or what better day can it be? Wishing all of you Happy New Year today on the 2nd of January. 2nd of January again एक रिकॉर्ड बन गया और एके ने 2 वीक पहले भी ये बात कही थी, लास्ट वीक भी ये बात कही थी कि छुट्टियां हैं, छुट्टियों में कुछ भी हो सकता है और एके भी बाहर ही है। लास्ट वीक भी उनको उनके हॉलिडे से पुल इन किया था। आज भी वही हम करने जा रहे हैं बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अब लाइफ हाई पे क्लोजिंग और एक नया लाइफ हाई निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी ने जो मारा है, उसके बाद कमिंग वीक्स में हमें क्या करना होगा। तो लेट्स ब्रिंग हिम इन एंड सी एज टू व्हाट ही हैज इन स्टोर फॉर अस। गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening, Rachit. How are you?
I am good, and I'm rocking, in fact, and a very happy New Year to you and to
Thank
your
you, thank
family.
you.
And I believe this is the best New Year gift that we could ask for. और 2 weeks से
Absolutely.
आप बोल रहे थे नए लाइफ हाई के लिए, फाइनली आज के दिन 2 जनवरी को नया लाइफ हाई मार दिया। तो congratulations for that, and congratulations of continuing your Nifty analysis. A record which you have been maintaining it for long. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा. First of all, Happy New Year to you, your family, and Happy New Year to all our viewers. So, Rachit, I'll just quickly jump right into it. We are, like I told you last week and last week, that, we are in a zone where there is low volume and Nifty
Right.
is being able to manage. It's easier to manage Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, so it is in the interest to end the year on a high note. I was expecting this kind of movement rather come on 31st. मैं तो 2 तारीख का भी एक्चुअली वेट नहीं कर रहा था, बट ठीक है, सेकंड वाज अ फ्राइडे, देयर वाज एन एक्सपायरी इन बिटवीन.
Right.
No, there wasn't an expiry. No, there wasn't an expiry. But still, 31st नहीं दे रहा है, दुरुस्त है. 2nd January we have seen a
29th
new
we
high.
had a monthly expiry, no? 29th we had a
Yeah,
monthly expiry.
yeah.
So it
So
was there.
थोड़ा उसका impact था. Lack of volumes, obviously they are there.
Right.
Extremely stable markets has been going on for a while. This week was nothing, nothing different. Macroeconomics data is coming in, and they're all giving mixed sort of signals. IIP data, if you had seen, it had come. IIP data for November had come in at 12% higher year on year. So that's a good sign. Okay. Uh, PMI, Purchasing Managers Index, had just come in today. I think not so promising for India, but it's okay. It's giving all sorts of mixed data right now. But the way Bank Nifty has gone this week, I think 2 दिन से वो 60,000 का जो threshold था, it kept knocking on 60,000. It took 2 days, 3 days, and then it finally crossed 60,000. So that is one very good thing. And of course, Nifty making a life high is always good. But what do we do from here? Where do we see from here? Okay, do we have the confidence to sustain this purely because of lack of fundamentals and volume driven rally? This rally is not driven by any volumes or not substantial volumes. So in my opinion, we need, ये मैं आपको अक्टूबर की रैली जब आई थी मैं तब से बोल रहा हूँ, वी नीड द फंडामेंटल्स टू कीप कैचिंग अप टू आवर रैलीज.
राइट.
तो अभी क्या है, अभी सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि वी आर राइट नाउ स्ट्रेट अवे लुकिंग एट द रिजल्ट सीजन, जो आप 8-9-10
तारीख
या coming in. So एक और week के बाद the result season will start coming in. To my what I feel, last couple of quarters our Indian markets have really managed their expectation well. तो अगर आप देखें तो वो जो पहले की जो एक्सपेक्टेशन थी, बहुत हाई CAGR, बहुत हाई रिजल्ट, बहुत बढ़िया रिजल्ट, वो एक्सपेक्टेशन अब रही नहीं है मार्केट की. लास्ट क्वार्टर देख लिया, इनफैक्ट मोस्ट कंपनीज डिड actually match up with the estimates.
Right.
uh,
Because
so
the
I am
estimates
expecting
were
us.
also reduced to uh,
Correct. They
level.
were
Right.
corrected. They were corrected. So I expect similar type of thing to come in quarter three. Okay,
Hmm.
quarter three, as you know, is the best quarter in the whole year for Indian companies. तो
Right.
अच्छा तो expected है ही.
Hmm.
I am very hopeful कि positive surprise अगर ना हो तो negative surprise भी ना हो.
Hmm. And
So
to an
if
extent,
that be
auto
the
sales numbers that we have
हाँ.
seen coming are also, showing all the support that yes, the economy is trying to recover and do good.
Right. We have to be very careful and start looking at those numbers. Till that
Hmm.
time, we cannot. It is. I think it's too premature to say right now that 26,300 will sustain or 200 will sustain. आज के दिन आप निफ्टी का ये level with on back of this rally because it is
Hmm.
lack of volumes and everything. I would say it was a little too premature to say. I would rather wait for another week and see what sort of results start pouring in,
Right.
then maybe take a fair balanced approach as to where we can head, how much of this is going to sustain, and क्या downside हो सकता है.
Are you trying to tell us that the coming week can be we can see bit of profit taking in the indices and the markets might correct a bit and we should be prepared for it? So because you were out on a
Yes,
Christmas
I'm saying
holiday,
okay.
you were out on a Christmas
Yeah.
holiday, markets were going up. You are out on a New
Hmm.
Year holiday, the markets are continuing, and the time you enter into the office, the markets will start correcting.
बस बस मंडे को आ रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay. For the coming week, what are the levels that we should be looking at?
No, so definitely because technically इतना up move किया है. I kept talking about 26,800, sorry, 25,800 for the last few weeks. Okay, so
Right.
now technically it has really moved up and some strength is shown. So I would say
Hmm.
25,800 से थोड़ा ऊपर base shift हो गया है, no doubt about it. 26,000 can be held on to this week. If that
Hmm.
happens, it's very good. It is possibly an indicator that results will match up to the expectations. अगर
Okay.
26,000 hold up करता है इस week में, so
Hmm.
we have a nice 350 point cushion above
Hmm.
the support level right now.
Right. Right.
तो 26,000 हो सकता है कि होल्ड करे. अपसाइड मेरे को ज्यादा नहीं लगता है यहाँ से, इन एब्सेंस ऑफ फर्दर डायरेक्शन और न्यूज
Uh-huh.
फ्लो. But
Okay.
I see at least one more week of short term, short zone range bound trading. That is a big possibility कि 200-300 पॉइंट के जोन में अगला वीक निकाल दे मार्केट.
And only after the results that we get to see by the next weekend or the week ahead of the next week, then
Hello.
only
Yeah.
we'll be in a better
Yeah.
position to understand.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think I think that will be more or less the guidance factor. अगर एक
Hmm.
रिजल्ट आया सो धीरे धीरे वो इंडस्ट्री का गाइडेंस, सेक्टर का गाइडेंस आ जाएगा. एंड समवेयर बाय मिडल ऑफ द मंथ द बजट
Uh-huh.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस विल आल्सो स्टार्ट बिल्डिंग अप.
Right.
एंड ऑफ मंथ बजट भी है, so all of these factors will start playing in, and but that will be after, let's say, 8th 9th of January. So we do have a week or at least 3-4 trading sessions where I feel next week थोड़ा range bound trading होगी. Downside, like I said, मुझे 26,000 hopefully नहीं तोड़ना चाहिए. In my opinion, I don't see any bad news coming in. We just have to be waiting and hoping that good news starts coming in rather than bad news.
Chali, got it. So for that, I think we'll discuss it ahead in the coming week and understand as to how things are
Sure,
panning out once the results start coming in. For this week,
sure.
we might see some correction, but we have a strong support somewhere near 26,000. If it doesn't
Mhm.
breaches 26,000, then there is a probability that we have a 300, 350 points movement that we'll get to see in the
Yeah.
coming week. And if it does, then 25,800 is a very strong support that will help us to keep the
That
market.
remains. That remains. Yes, that remains intact. I'm quite sure that 25,800 will not be broken. There has to be something serious negative for that level to break now.
Right. Chaliye, as always, it was amazing talking and learning and understanding as to how the markets will be panning the coming week. Hopefully, as always, it remains in the range that we have discussed. And I'll not take
Right.
much of your time now because already have taken a lot of time, and I'm pretty sure your family might be waiting. Uh,
Yeah.
have a happy weekend, and we'll catch up the next week. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Happy weekend. Bye.